Alright guys, I thought for this video that combination lock that I showed you how to the bypassing on it, thought what I'd do, so I'll take it out to the workshop and I'll mark along the back here and cut the back off so that we can see what the insides look like. So I'll grab a marker, mark it out, and then take it out to the workshop and we'll cut the back off. Alright, so out at the workshop and got the lock here. Don't know if you can make that out. I've marked a line around the back section here where I'm going to cut. So I've put a small cutting wheel on the Dremel tool so I get a nice, hopefully clean, precise cut without damaging any of the insides. So I'll lock it up the vise. Reposition this camera. A little bit. And start doing some of the cutting. So I'll stop the recording for a second, I'll finish cutting it and then I'll come back to it. Alright, so I've only got this little bit left to cut, so I'll cut that and then we can go inside and see what it looks like. Sorry, just have a look. Alright, so cut the back off, so we'll take it inside, have a look. Alright, so back inside, I'll just get that sharp bit of metal out the way. So cut the back off the lock, you can see it's the back of the lock there. So carefully try and take this out. And grab a pair of tweezers. Alright, so I'll get a bit of light in here. Alright, so that's the locking mechanism up the top. You can see where it goes into the shackle. And you can see the discs in there. Turn that around to the light. So you can see the notch here. And this one here, another notch. So these are the notches for the codes. When you turn the dial to get them into the right positions, this then can come down. And that's when the locking pull comes up. So, but that's the locking mechanism there. What I showed you is the bypass. So you can use shims or feeler gauge. So you want to run that down the inside. Try not to cut yourself in the middle. So easy way to show the bypass, you run down. See that, see the feeler gauge going down. Try and get this light in a better position. So there it is there, just in this corner. So you push it down to move that locking pull out the way when you bypass, so then the shackle can come up. But that's the inside of the combination lock. It's got the spring in the back there. But that's what the inside, the cheap, this is the Chinese made one, but cheap Chinese combination locks. So there you go. Alright, cheers guys. Alright, I just wanted to show one more thing. Just noticed when I was looking through at this lock, I noticed that trying to work, looking at how these gaps line up so that that bar, the top here, could line up with these cutouts in the discs. I noticed that they've got little notches or bits sticking out just here. I thought, well, how does it hook in to the other ones? Because these are all set distance apart in there. And then I noticed on the backs of them there's little notch just here, which these bumps that stick out hook onto to turn the lock around. So that's how they line up on each one. This little notch here, or bit here, turns around and pushes on them to line up each one of these notches in the discs like that, to get them all in line, be able to get that bar to drop down into, which you can see if I get that to the right position. Goes down into there, which means that the shackle can then come up. So, so yeah, that's how it works. A little bit extra. Alright, this time, cheers guys.